TS service today. We have an iPhone 8. The customer is telling me he dropped the phone in the water, so the phone, when I hook it to the power supply, is shorted to ground. And so I took all these frames, and what I saw here, you guys see this? This is on this area. So when I remove it, you guys watch. You guys see this? So this is under the microscope, is here. You guys watch. So when I put the avometer, this cap here was shorted and it's causing the overheat on the audio chip, and this coil is bad. I'm gonna try to remove it. So what I did, guys, I just knock this cap here by the knife I use, and it's this one. You guys see it? I'm gonna put it here so you guys can see it. This one. You guys see this? So I'm gonna show you how this one is shorted. So I'm gonna use the avometer on the sound mode. See, guys? 1, 2, 3. There we are. We have a wire. So this is shorted. So we throw it away. Then we go check here on diode mode. Red on the ground, like this is the ground, okay? This is the ground. This is the ground here. See? This one is supposed to read. So 1, 2, 3. I was reading 4 point something. So my short just disappeared. No short. So we're back to business. You guys hear? There is no sound. So I'm gonna see again here, and if we're gonna hold it, it's called data hold. One, 2, 3, and just want to test again and again and again. Okay, so it's reading normal. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take it, the board. See, guys, here, that's the Waterdamage, and this is the area. We remove the cap. The main reason of this video just to show you guys how to do like water damage diagnosis and fixing. So this is the phone here. Okay, I'll put the screen. I'm just putting the screen. I want to see the power supply, 4.10. Okay. So we're just putting the power supply. You guys see? There is no short at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it with the battery, because I hate my power supply connector for the iPhone 8 and X is always moving all the time, giving me headache, man. So I'll just show you 1, 2, 3. See guys, we have a working phone back to life because the water damage, and the problem was the cap close to the audio shorted. I'm gonna show you this here. This cap was shorted, this one here. Okay, thanks very much for watching. This is ITS service, and this is an iPhone 8 water damage, that how to troubleshoot and do the data recovery. Thanks for watching. So let's see if we have touch. Yep, we have touch. Okay, thanks for watching again.